Good morning, student. So here we are with our second question of exercise 2.2. So the question says, find a quadratic polynomial in which the sum of the zeros and the product of the zeros are given. Means sum of the zero is 1 upon 4 and product of the zero is minus 1. So since we have seen the quadratic polynomials or quadratic equations are of the form of this, okay, and one another form we have seen in our previous videos, that a quadratic equation can be expressed in the form of x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equals to 0. So this we have seen. Here alpha plus beta is what? 1 upon 4, because it is given, because first one term is sum of zeros and the second one term is multiplication of zeros. So sum of zeros is what? 1 upon 4 and multiplication of 0 is what? Minus 1. Okay, so here alpha plus beta is given 1 upon 4 and alpha into beta is given minus 1. So what will be our quadratic equation? Quadratic equation x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equals to 0. Okay, so here sum of 0 alpha plus beta equals to 1 upon 4 and multiplication of zeros alpha into beta equals to minus 1. So we will be putting it here in this equation. Now x square minus alpha plus beta means 1 upon 4 x plus alpha into beta means minus 1 equals to 0. So multiply the equation with 4. So 4x square, because when we will be multiplying this equation with 4, what will happen? The 4 will be multiplied with this term, and with this term when it will be multiplied, then 4 upon 4 will give you a 1. So minus x, and plus and minus, multiplication of plus and minus will give you minus 1 equals to 0. So this is, and 4 is multiplied, so 1 4 will come here, because 4 will be multiplied to the whole equation. So 4 into 4 into 4, 4 and 4 will cancel out and will give you 1. 4 and minus 1 will give you minus 4, and 4 into 1 will give you 4. So this is the first one question. Now the second question. In it, alpha plus beta is given square root 2 and alpha into beta is given 1 upon 3. So we will be writing it directly. Alpha plus beta equals to 1 root 2 and alpha beta, the multiplication of zeros, equals to 1 upon 3. Now हमारी स्टैंडर्ड क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन क्या है? स्टैंडर्ड quadratic equation x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equals to 0. So what we will be doing? We will be putting the value of alpha plus beta root 2 here, and the product of zeros, that is alpha into beta, equals to 1 upon 3 here. Okay, so let's put value of alpha plus beta is square root 2 x plus alpha beta का multiplication क्या है? 1 upon 3. तो यहाँ पे directly put करते हैं. Okay, now since we are having what? 1 upon 3 here, so we will be multiplying the whole equation with 3. पूरी equation को 3 से हम multiply कर देंगे. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? This one term will become what? 3x square minus this one term will become what? 3 root 2x. Why? क्योंकि पूरी equation को 3 से multiply करेंगे तो हर एक term जो है वो 3 से multiply हो जाएगा. Now 3 upon 3, क्योंकि इस term को भी 3 से multiply करना पड़ेगा. So 3 upon 3 will give you 1. So this is the answer. Now the Now the third one question, same is here. The addition of zeros, okay, the sum of zeros is given 0 and the product of 0 is given square root 5. तो सबसे पहले इसको लिखेंगे अल्फा प्लस बीटा इक्वल्स टू 0 and alpha into beta equals to square root 5. Okay students, now the quadratic equation x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equals to 0. So you have to remember it. इसको याद कर लो, by heart कर लो. Okay. X square minus alpha plus beta is what? 0. So we will be putting 0 in the place of alpha plus beta plus alpha beta, that is product of 0 का value क्या है? Square root 5. So we will be putting square root 5 and equals to 0. Now here, since the multiplication of these two will be giving you 0, okay, यहाँ पे इन दोनों का multiplication क्या आएगा? 0 आएगा directly. So we will be eliminating this term. इस term को लिखेंगे ही नहीं. So now what it will become? X square plus square root 5 equals to 0. So this is our required equation. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is 1 comma 1. Again the same thing. Sum of 0 is 1 and product of 0 is 1. So alpha plus beta is what? 1 and the multiplication of the 0 is 1. Okay, तो यहाँ पर sum भी 1 है and product भी 1 है. Now quadratic equation क्या होती है हमारी? Quadratic equation x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equals to 0. ठीक है. Now we will be putting the value of alpha plus beta and that is 1. So x square minus x, the value of alpha plus beta is 1, so 1 into x plus alpha beta equals to what? 1 equals to 0. Now x square minus 1 and x, the product of 1 and x will give you x obviously, क्योंकि एक से किसी का भी मल्टीप्लिकेशन करो सेम आएगा, plus 1 equals to 0. So this is our required result. ठीक है. Okay, now the fifth one. The fifth one, here the sum of 0 is what? Minus 1 upon 4. Okay, so alpha plus beta is what? Minus 1 upon 4. The first one term is sum of zeros and the second one term is product of zeros. So alpha into beta is what? 1 upon 4. Now quadratic equation x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equals to 0. Okay, so by heart kar lo because you will be getting the question from this also in the examination. So x square minus alpha plus beta is what? Minus 1 upon 4. So let us put the value minus 1 upon 4 and this x is as well as, okay, alpha beta, the product of 0 is 1 upon 4 equals to 0. Now multiply, at first let us just simplify it. Minus minus plus 1 upon 4x plus 1 upon 4 equals to 0. Multiply the whole equation with a 4. Okay, तो जब हम इस इक्वेशन को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो फर्स्ट टर्म 4 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, सेकंड टर्म में 4 upon 4 1 हो जाएगा और थर्ड टर्म में भी 4 upon 4 1 हो जाएगा. ओके, बिकॉज 4 मल्टीप्लाई जब हम करेंगे तो तीनों टर्म से मल्टीप्लाई होगा. सो 4x स्क्वायर प्लस 4 upon 4x plus 4 upon 4 equals to 0, or we can write it as 4x square plus x plus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so this is the answer of the fifth one part. Now the sixth one, sum of zeros is given 4 and product of 0 is given 1. So sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta, is given 4 and product of 0 alpha beta is given 1. Okay, so now quadratic equation क्या है? Quadratic equation x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equals to 0. Now sum of 0 is what? 4. So we will be putting instead of this alpha plus beta 4. Now it will become what? X square minus 4x plus alpha beta is what? 1. So this is the quadratic equation, required quadratic equation, and it is the end of the second exercise. Now next topic, division algorithm for polynomial. Okay, so as you have studied the Euclid's division lemma, so Euclid division lemma हमने फर्स्ट चैप्टर में पढ़ा था. So उसमें क्या था? A is equals to BQ plus R. Okay, this was the Euclid's division lemma, and in it A was what? A क्या था? Dividend था, and B was what? It was divisor. Q क्या था? Q was quotient and R is remainder. Okay, in the similar manner अगर हम यही चीज अप्लाई करें पॉलिनोमियल्स के साथ, ओके, तो px क्या है? डिविडेंड है. gx क्या है? डिवाइजर है. gx is divisor and qx is our quotient, whether this rx is our remainder, and all these terms means whether the dividend or the divisor or the quotient or the remainder, all are what? Polynomials. So the same division algorithm will be applied for the polynomial as well. Okay, so this will be seen, means this will be applying in the questions later on. Okay, so let's start the exercise 2.3. Now exercise 2.3. The first question says divide the polynomial px by the polynomial gx, okay, and get the quotient and the remainder. So just now we have studied about the division algorithm. Okay, so here px is what? Dividend, gx is divisor, qx is quotient, and rx is our remainder. Okay, so here we will be dividing the px, the dividend, from the divisor. Divisor से इसको divide करेंगे px को. Okay, and our divisor is what? gx. Okay, so let's start it. Okay, so here our main motto is to eliminate the first term. ओके, सो हमारा हमेशा यही मोटो रहेगा कि हम फर्स्ट टर्म को एलिमिनेट करें हर बार. ओके, हियर द फर्स्ट टर्म इज x क्यूब, सो वी विल बी मल्टीप्लाइंग दिस टर्म विद दैट काइंड ऑफ टर्म सो दैट वी कैन एलिमिनेट दिस x क्यूब. तो इस x क्यूब को एलिमिनेट करने के लिए इस टर्म को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा? x से. सो वी विल बी मल्टीप्लाइंग इट विद x, दैट मींस x टाइम्स x स्क्वायर माइनस 2 x टाइम्स. सो हाउ मच इट विल गिव अस? तो मल्टीप्लाई करके देखते हैं. x स्क्वायर इनटू x विल गिव अस what this means? This means x square minus 2 is multiplied with x. What it will give us? X square into x, that is x cube, and minus 2 into x, that is minus 2x. So here multiply it with x square minus 2, so it will give you x cube minus 2x, or we can write it minus 2x, we can write it here beneath the similar term. Okay, तो similar terms को similar terms के साथ रखेंगे ताकि वो क्या हो जाए? एलिमिनेट हो जाए या एड अप हो जाए या जो भी उनमें ऑपरेशन हो सकता है वो हो जाए. Okay, now what is the another property as we will see this division. Okay, so let's see, 3 3 is 9. So what do? We will subtract it obviously. ओके, तो हमेशा सब्ट्रैक्शन में साइन हम क्या करते हैं? चेंज करते हैं. 3 3 is 9 था. ओके, इट वाज पॉजिटिव, बट लेटर ऑन व्हाट वी हैड डन, वी हैव सब्ट्रैक्टेड इट फ्रॉम 10. दैट मींस वी हैव चेंज्ड द साइन. सो हियर आल्सो वी विल बी चेंजिंग द साइन. तो ये ओरिजिनली पॉजिटिव है, तो नाउ इट विल बी चेंजिंग इन माइनस. ये ओरिजिनली नेगेटिव है, so negative and negative will give you a positive. So this is positive, this is negative, they will be cancelled out. Okay, so पहला टर्म cancelled out हुआ. Now minus 3x square and plus 5x plus 2x, कितना? 7x. Okay, plus 7x. Now we have to eliminate this one term, minus 3x square. So x square already है. Now what we have to multiply? Only minus 3 with it. So we will be multiplying it with minus 3. So minus 3 and x square will give you minus 3x square. Okay, minus 3x square and minus 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 plus, 3 2s are 6, okay, plus 6. Now what it will become? It will be of minus now because sign will change and it will become of negative. Now these two terms will be cancelled out because one is of negative and one is of positive. These two terms will be added up while both are of negative. So minus 6 minus 3 will give you minus 9 and it is what? 7x. So here what he was asking about, quotient qx is what? Qx is x minus 3 and remainder rx is what? Rx is 7x minus 9. Okay student? So this was the end of the first question. Now the second question. Now the second one question. Here px is what? X raised to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 and gx, our divisor is given as x square plus 1 minus x. Again we have to find out qx and rx in this also. Okay, now what we will be doing? We will be dividing, okay, as we had done in the previous one question, but before dividing we will be rearranging the terms of it, okay, in the standard quadratic equation form. Standard quadratic equation form क्या थी? ax square plus bx plus c. So here we have written this one as x square minus x plus 1. Okay, that means we have interchanged the places. Okay, minus x को पहले लिखा and plus 1 को बाद में. Now multiply, we have to eliminate the first term. Okay, basic क्रोनोलॉजी यही है कि हम क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले फर्स्ट टर्म को क्या करेंगे, एलिमिनेट करेंगे और उसे एलिमिनेट करने के लिए हमें इसे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा x स्क्वायर से. ओके, सो वी विल बी मल्टीप्लाइंग एट फर्स्ट it with the x square. So what it will give us? X into x square into x square will give you x raised to the power 4. Now x square minus x will give you x cube. So minus, so we will be writing it here, minus x cube. Okay, then 1 plus x square, 1 into x square, so it will give you plus x square. Okay, so why we have done it like this? क्योंकि हमारे पास जो हमारा डिविडेंड है उसमें कोई क्यूबिक टर्म नहीं है, तो इसीलिए हमने उसको साइड में रखा है. नाउ दिस विल बिकम ऑफ नेगेटिव बिकॉज ओरिजिनली इट इज ऑफ पॉजिटिव, दिस विल बिकम ऑफ नेगेटिव बिकॉज इट इज ऑफ पॉजिटिव एंड दिस विल बिकम ऑफ पॉजिटिव बिकॉज इट इज ओरिजिनली ऑफ नेगेटिव साइन. नाउ दिस टू टर्म्स विल कैंसल आउट. Okay, now this minus 3x square and minus x square will give you minus 4x square and this plus x cube we will be writing at first. Okay, इस x cube को हम पहले लिखेंगे so that we can eliminate the highest power at the first. Okay, now plus 4x plus 5. Now x square we have to get what? X cube obviously. So x cube लेने के लिए क्या करेंगे, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे x. Now plus x, so x cube it will become the multiplication of x square and x will become what? X cube. Now x and x will become what? Minus x square. 1 into x will give you x. Okay, so now it is what? This is originally of positive, it will become of negative. ये ओरिजिनली नेगेटिव है तो पॉजिटिव बन जाएगा, ये पॉजिटिव है तो नेगेटिव बनेगा. ओके, दिस विल एलिमिनेटेड. नाउ minus 4x square plus x square will give you minus 3x square. Why? Because both of them will be subtracted. One is of negative, one is of positive. Now here plus 4x minus x will give you plus 3x. क्योंकि एक टर्म क्या हो जाएगा, सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा because it is of negative. Plus 5. Okay. Now multiply this equation because x square is there, only minus 3 is not there, so we will be multiplying it with minus 3. So minus 3x square it will become this one. Okay, and minus plus 3x it will become, and minus 3 and plus 1 will give you minus 3. Now the sign will be changed. This will be of positive, this will become of negative, and this will become of positive. So it will be eliminated. These two will also be eliminated. This is of minus, this is of plus, so it will be eliminated. This is of plus and this is of minus, this will be eliminated, and these two will be added up because both the sign are plus. Okay, so it will become 8. Now the qx in this division is what? X square plus x minus 3, and rx is what? The remainder is 8. So it is the end of the second question. Now the third question. So here is the third part. Divisor is what? X raised to the power 4 minus 5x plus 6. And sorry, dividend is what? X raised to the power 4 minus 5x plus 6. And divisor is what? What is 2 minus x square. So we will be rearranging it again. Minus x square at first we will be writing, and positive 2 will be writing. Okay, at the second term. Okay, now we have to eliminate this one term, x raised to the power 4, and it is of positive. So we have to get a positive x raised to the power 4 over here. So we will be multiplying it with minus x square. So minus minus plus x square into x square will give you x raised to the power 4. Okay, now minus x square plus 2. So we will be writing directly minus 2x square. So it will become of negative, it will become of positive. This will be cancelled out. Okay, because this is a positive, this is a negative now. Now here plus 2x square, because here is no term of x square in the dividend. That's why we will be writing it as it is. Okay, now minus 5x plus 6. Okay students, now we will be multiplying this one term with minus 2. Okay, so minus minus plus 2x square. So it will give us what? 2x square. So we have to figure out all the time that with which term we have to multiply, so that this one, the first term, will get eliminated. Okay, तो हमेशा ये देखना है कि first term eliminate हो जाए. So accordingly हमें multiply करना है. Now minus and plus will give you minus, and 2 into 2 will give you 4. Now what it will become? This will become of negative, because originally it is of positive. It is of negative, so originally, okay, then after changing the sign it will become of positive. Now these two will cancel out. Minus 5x plus 6 plus 4 will give you 10. Now what is the qx for it? Qx is minus x square minus 2, and rx is what? Rx is minus 5x plus 10. So this is the third part of this question. So it is the second question, in which it says check it whether the first term is a factor of the second, means first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial. Okay, what that means? Let us take an example. Let's take 10. 10 we can write it as 2 into 5. Okay, so 2 is a factor of 10. Yes, obviously. 5 is a factor of 10. Yes, obviously. What that means? That means this 2 can divide this 10 totally, means fully it will be dividing, and it will be leaving no remainder or 0 remainder. Similarly for 5 can divide this 10, okay, leaving no remainder. That means whenever one polynomial is factor of another polynomial, in that case, when we will be dividing it, it will give you a 0 remainder. Okay, so in all three cases of the question number 2, we have to check whether whether the first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial. So for it, we will be dividing it. Okay, so let's divide. So first term 2t raised to the power 4 we want. So we will be multiplying it with 2t square. So 2t square and t square will give you t raised to the power 4, and minus 3 and 2t square, that will give you minus 6t square. Okay, so we will be writing it with the t square term. Okay, now this will become of negative, this will become of positive. This will be cancelled out, and it will become what? 3t cube minus this is of positive 6t square, and this is of negative 2t square. So it will subtract up. Okay, so since the bigger one is positive, so we will be writing it plus 4t square. Okay, minus 9t minus 12. Now we have to eliminate this one term. We have to get a t cube, power of t as 3. Okay, so here only we are having a square, so we will be multiplying it by 3t, so that we can get a 3t cube. Okay, 3 and t square into t will give you t cube. Again, the multiplication of these two will give you 3 3s are 9 and minus 9t. Okay, so it will become of negative, it will become of positive by the sign changing. Okay, so these two terms will be cancelled out, and these two terms will also get cancelled. Why? Because one is of negative and one is of positive. So what we will be getting? 4t square minus 12. Here again we'll be multiplying this term, this divided with 4, so to get a 4t square, so multiply it with a 4, positive 4, so it will become 4t square, and 4 3s are 12 and 1 of minus. Okay, so originally the sign is positive, so it will become of negative, and it is originally of negative, it will become of positive. These two will get cancelled out, and these two will also get cancelled out, because this is positive and this one is negative, so you will be getting a remainder as 0. So you can say t square minus 3, so we will be saying yes, t square minus 3 is a factor of 2t raised to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. Okay. Now the second question, the second part of the second question. Px is given 3x raised to the power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2, and gx is given x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, so again we have to check whether this one term is a factor of this polynomial. Okay, so again we will be doing the same, means we will be dividing this whole term with this term so that we get a 0. If we will be getting a 0 as remainder, okay, so we will be saying that this is a factor of this polynomial Px. Okay, so let's do it. The division will be the same, the method is same. क्या करना है, first term eliminate करना है all the time. So 3x square we will be multiplying at first, so that we can get a 3x raised to the power 4, because here it is x square. So 3x square into x square will give you x raised to the power 4 plus 3x square and 3x. 3 3s are 9. X square into x will give you x cube. So 9x cube. Again the multiplication of these two plus 3x square. Now this one become negative, this one will also become negative, and this one will also become negative. Okay, now these two terms will get cancelled out. Here plus 5x cube and minus 9x cube will give you a 9 minus 4x cube. Okay, क्योंकि subtraction होगा, this one is of negative and this one is of positive, opposite sign they are. Okay, so इसीलिए subtraction. Now minus 7x square minus 3x square will give you what? Minus 10x square plus 2x plus 2. Both are of minus, so they will get added. Now this one term we have to eliminate. So किससे multiply करेंगे? Minus 4x. Okay, so as we will be multiplying it with minus 4x, it will give you the first term x square into minus 4x. It will give you minus 4x cube. Okay, the second term minus plus 3x minus 4x. 3 4s are 12. So minus 12x square. And minus 4x plus 1, it will give you minus 4x. So now change the sign. This one become of positive, this one will also become of positive, and this one will also become of positive. Then one is negative, one is positive, it will get cancelled out. It is of positive, it is of negative. Okay, negative is less, so 12 minus 10 will give you 2x square, and plus 2x plus 4x will give you plus 6x plus 2. Now x square is here. Now we have to multiply this equation with only 2, so that we can get a 2x square here. Okay, similar to this, क्योंकि हमें ये वाला टर्म एलिमिनेट करना है, तो इसीलिए हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे ताकि फर्स्ट टर्म हमको सेम मिल जाए 2x square. Okay, so plus 2. So the first term will become what? 2x square plus 3 to the 6x. The second term, because 2 multiplied this 3x will give you 6x plus 2 plus 1. 2 into 1 will give you 2. Okay, so same it is coming. Now it will become of negative, it will become also of negative, and it will also become of negative. Now the three terms are, these three are positive, these three are negative. So one by one they will get cancelled out. Now you will be getting a remainder as 0. So you can say that yes, x square plus 3x plus 1 is a factor of 3x raised to the power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. Okay, this is it. Now this one, the third one. Okay, again we have to check the same, so we will be dividing it Okay, this one equation will be dividing with this equation. So for the first term we will be multiplying it with x square, so that we can get x square into x cube will give you x raised to the power 5 minus 3 x into x square will give you x cube plus 1 x square. Okay, so now it will become of negative, this will become of positive, and it will become of negative. Now this will get cancelled out, one is of positive, one is of negative, both them get cancelled out. And the second one, minus 4x cube plus 3x cube, it will give you minus x cube. Okay, and this is positive x square, this is negative x square, both of them will get cancelled out, plus 3x plus 1. Okay, now we will be multiplying it with minus 1 so that it get cancelled out. Okay, so that we can get a same term. So minus 1 we will be multiplying it with, so it will give you minus x cube, minus minus plus 3x, and positive 1 and minus 1 will give you a negative 1. So this will become of positive, and this will become of negative, and this will become of positive, means the sign will be interchanged or changed, we can say. So this is of negative, this is of positive, both will get cancelled out. This is of positive, this is of negative, get cancelled out, and both the terms are of positive. See, this one is plus 1, this one is also plus 1, so both of them will get added, so it will give you a 2. So we will be saying no, x cube minus 3x plus 1 is not the factor of x raised to the power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus